and welcome back to the channel. Behind me here we have quite a unique vessel to go through today. We're just in the process of getting the sails up so we can have a look at the condition of those, but this is a Chinese lug rigged schooner built by the owner and launched back in, I believe, 2002. She's quite unique, quite lovely, so let's have a walk around, have a look at the condition and jump on board. So we did a bit of a drone fly around, as you can see, to get a bit of a appreciation for the look of this vessel. So as we said, it's a Chinese lug rigged schooner, or a lot of people like to refer them as the junkers. And if you can see just down here in the water, you can see she's got twin shaft, twin props. So this is a twin engine boat, which is a great setup, adding to reliability, safety, all of those features. You can see we've got a very deep cockpit with a bit of a centralised wheel system with all of your controls for your throttles and your engines right there in front of you. Great seating and storage back there, but we'll jump on and have a close look in a minute. This is the owner, Len. So we're just getting ready to chuck the sails up. So here's our windlass setup, chain locker into our little bowsprit with our anchor roller up the front. So quite easily traversable decks with your inboard lifelines. So here we go. So that was sails up. So we'll just jump into the cockpit here. Emergency tiller at the back and a aft bow roller. A dual entrance in below and below, so we'll jump in and have a look around the interior. So as you step in, straight under here, either side, are the engines. So they're twin Volvo diesel shaft, 28 horsepower. There's what you could refer to as day tanks and main tanks for a total of about 455 litres. And here it's dropping the sails. But general walkthrough today just to have a look at the condition and the layout. As you see in the photos, there's another berth that goes in here. So this boat's a 5-berth boat. You can see there's plenty of charm and character to this beautiful, beautiful boat. So under here's refrigeration. You can see in there. So dual sink galley, metho stove, plenty of room there for your drinks. Looks like a bit of an ice box. If you look back into the salon area, plenty of seating. The table's adjustable. Let's have a look at the quality and how beautiful she is. Moving forward, bit of a storage navigation table set up in here. The headers in here, shower, toilet, sink, seating for the shower and drainage down into the sump. And forward into our V-berth cabin, storage, hanging storage either side, seating, and the V-berth double. And lovely timber, lovely construction. The owner, as he should be, is very proud of this vessel. But that's our general walkthrough. All the information on this boat will be in the description below. But as always, we hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.